If you've ever opened up a read-only copy so that you could view another sheet of the workbook while you worked on another sheet in the same workbook, then this technique is for you. I'm going to actually introduce you how to open up a new window in the same workbook. Again, the benefit is that it's live on both sides. That way you can make your changes and see them in real time. Let me show you an example. Right now I'm on my data working copy and my totals are on my Sum If sheet tab. I want to be able to work in my working copy and see the updates on my Sum If sheet tab. All right, so let me go back over to my data working copy. I'm going to navigate to the View tab. I'll do New Window. At the top, you'll notice that I see lots of data practice, data corrections 2. Okay, if I go back to my View tab and I go to Switch Windows, I also see 1. Okay, so let me go ahead and drag 1 to one side because I'm working on Windows 10. Put the other on the other side. So right now it gives me the appearance of what some of you see in a read-only copy, except this side is not read-only. It's fully active. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to go ahead and increase. Okay, so my price here is changed for this particular product. So I'm going to update it. And this is going to make my total change. So I'm going to go take my quantity times my price. And that's going to update that total, which in turn is going to update my totals on the Sum If. You notice how my UPS just jumped? Let me make it a little bit bigger increase. As soon as I press enter, I can see that total. Okay. So being able to work live on both sides is important. Let me show you another example. Okay, so you see how I'm working and I can see it happening. It's fully interactive. It's fully interactive. A read-only copy is not fully interactive. So if I go over here and delete these, they change on the other side. Okay, when I'm done with my new window, all I have to do is close it. Now I see lots of data practice, data corrections, and the 1 and the 2 are gone. I can go ahead and save my file and I'm good to go.